Meaning of disobey.
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 Disobey. Disobey means to refuse or fail to follow a rule, instruction, or command. When someone disobeys, there can be various consequences. It can result in punishment, such as a reprimand, suspension, or termination of employment. Disobeying can also have more serious consequences, such as legal action, imprisonment, or even physical harm. Furthermore, disobeying can lead to the breakdown of trust in relationships, causing interpersonal conflicts and emotional distress. Overall, disobedience can have significant negative consequences, both for the individual and for society as a whole.